Welcome to Study Loop.
Alright guys, okay. So the question is asking us determine two possible thickness of the soap bubble, okay? So, wow. From the question we know that it was interferes constructively. So it's constructive interference. So let's take a look. This is all non-condition from the question. We know the wavelengths, original wavelength is 690 nanometer, and the refraction index is 1.33. So we need to figure out two possible thickness D1 and D2. We know that the formula 2D equal to m times lambda over 2, okay? And, let me put it here. Lambda is equal to lambda 0 divided by n1. And that's another formula, okay? And lambda here is the lambda bubble. Lambda 0 is the lambda from the air. So lambda here is the wavelength for the bubble, and the lambda 0 here is the wavelength in the air. And n1 here is just simply the refraction index of the bubble, okay? So for D1, the first possible thickness, we set at m equal to 1. Why not 0? Because if we plug in 0, everything's gone. And there's no thickness at all, because 0 times everything is 0. So from the smallest possible thickness we can think of is m equal to 1. So that will give us 2D equal to 1 times lambda, which is lambda 0 over n1, which is 690. Let me move here. Let me move here and let me draw an outline like this. Okay. So 2D is equal to 1 times lambda, which is lambda 0 over n1, which is 690 times 10 to the negative 9 meter, because 1 nanometer is 10 to the negative 9 meter, divided by n1 is 1.33, divided by 2. And we got, sorry, it should be T1 here. D1 is equal to, it's about like 130 nanometer. Now turn D1 is equal to 1.3 times 10 to the negative 7 meter. Okay, and let's look at D2. So since it's constructed interference, so the second possible thickness should let m equal to 3, because, well, let's take a look. It's 2D equal to m times lambda over 2, and m is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. It's all an odd number when it's constructed interference. So like this. So we already picked the first one as 1, so the second one must be 3. So once we plug in, it should be something like this. So it's 2d2 equal to m, which is 3, times lambda, we get it. It's lambda 0 over n1, which is 690 times 10 to the negative 9 meter, divided by 1.33 and divided by 2. And that will get something like this, which is like 3.9 times 10 to the negative 7 meter, which is 390 nanometers. And the conversion between meter and nanometer is 1 meter is 10 to the power of 9 nanometer. And that's my question for two different thickness. I mean, my answer for two different thickness. Thank you.